everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the USB drive that is not showing up in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key all together in your keyboard, or just by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go click on run options, and you will be able to open this run window. So once this run window is open, please type here disk mgmt.msc. It's diskmgmt.msc. Now once done, please click on enter or OK, and then you will be able to see, or this disk management window will be coming up on our screen. Here in this bottom section, you will see here removable disk if you have inserted a USB drive. So you will see here a removable disk option, and since I don't have, or I haven't inserted a USB drive in my device, I won't be able to see that option. So in your case, if you see that, or if you have that, please click on your disk drive, and then let's take this local disk C as an example. So once you have selected it, please make a right click on it and then click on the option that says change drive letter and paths. So once you click on that, you will be able to get this window here, and here you need to assign or change the drive letter of your drive there. So please click, or please set another letter, and once you're done, you can now click on OK. So let me just close this one, and you can also have a NTFS format. So please make a right click on that drive again, and then click on the format and choose the NTFS format. So once you're done, you can now exit this window here and make a quick restart with your device and see if it's working. Okay, so if it's still not working, then we can proceed with the next process, which is to go to the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon again, and then go to device manager, and then once you do that, you will see here the device manager window coming up. So here we need to look for universal serial bus controllers. Once found, please click on this arrow here, and you will see here the USB mass storage. So if you have inserted if you have inserted a USB drive, then you will be able to see the USB mass storage option, and if you see that option, please select it, just like what I am doing with USB composite device. So I will be making this as an example on what to do. So please select your USB mass storage option, and then make a right click on it, and then click on uninstall device. And once you click on this uninstall device, you will be getting this small window here. So just make sure that you won't check everything. You won't select anything, a box here. If you see a box, please don't select it, or please don't check it. And then once done, you can now click on uninstall, and then once the drive is now uninstalled, just click on this action button here, and then at the very top, and then you can click the scan for hardware changes, and by doing that, you will be able now to see again the drive that you have just uninstalled. And once you're done, you can just exit this window and make a quick restart with your device, and hopefully that works. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.